In this video, we're going to talk about the difference between accuracy and precision. Accuracy tells us how close to the target value the measurements are. So in order to know whether or not your measurements are accurate, you have to have a bullseye or a target value. We often call this the accepted value. Without this accepted value, we don't know if the shots are accurate. Looking at your bullseye, we can tell that the black shots here are right within the target area. That means they're accurate. The purple shots and the orange shots are outside the target area, which means these shots are not accurate. In chemistry, accuracy is measured using percent error. Percent error is calculated using the absolute value of your average experimental data minus the accepted value divided by your accepted value. The accepted value is always going to be given to you, usually by me. Because this is an absolute value, your percent error is always going to be positive. The closer your percent error is to 0, the more accurate your data is going to be. Precision tells us how close together or how repetitive the measurements are. We also call this reproducibility, or how reproducible are your measurements. In order to determine precision, you don't need a target value. In order to determine precision, you just need multiple shots. Precision tells us how close together or how grouped our data is. Even without the bullseye, you can tell that the black shots here are very precise, even though they're not accurate, they're not on point. The orange shots are not precise because they're not grouped together, and they're not accurate either. Precision is measured using something called percent deviation. Percent deviation is a single measurement minus the average of all of your data divided by the average times 100. Similar to percent error, the closer you are to 0, the more precise your data is. A major difference between accuracy and precision is that you have to have multiple measurements, shots or experiments, often called trials. You have to have multiple attempts to know if your numbers are precise. In order to know if your numbers are accurate, you truly only need one measurement and a target value. We're going to do some practice with more of this data later.